So your wife wants the comfort of home and a spacious living room at camp, and you want to be able to bring your 4-seater side by side. This toy hauler by Jayco solves it all. Hi guys, it's Isabel here at Worldwide RV, and today we are going to be checking out the brand new 2026 Jayco Seismic 399. Now this thing has a 13.6-inch garage and a beautiful living area. So come on guys, as per usual, we're going to start on the outside and then we'll make our way in. Here in the front you have your gas generator. Now this is connected to the fuel tank. It is going to be a 30-gallon fuel tank, and you can use that to help fuel your toy. You have your on-demand water heater right here. This is going to be 60,000 BTUs, and this is going to be your pass-through storage area. Here you have access to your water system as well as your Nuvo water filtration system, which is residential and citrus based. Directly next to that is going to be your inverter, which is going to go along with the 400 watts of solar located on the roof. Now, before we head inside of this toy hauler, I do want to mention a few things that make Jayco stand out, and that is going to be their warranty. You have a 2-year limited and 3-year structural warranty, as well as all of their fifth wheels is warranted for full-time RVing. Now we are inside of this Seismic toy hauler, and if you can't tell, Jayco took inspiration from one of the best-selling luxurious fifth wheels that they have and put the kitchen in the back with a nice L-shaped couch right here, really keeping this area nice and open. In the living room area, like I said, you have an L-shaped couch. 2 of them do recline, and this is going to be a tri-fold sofa, so it's going to come out into a bed. You have a giant entertainment center in here with your TV and your fireplace down at the bottom. That is going to push out enough heat to really heat up this entire space. Moving along, you have a dinette right here, and this is a roll top dinette, so you can easily pull it out. And there is additional seats hidden in the closet area that you can pull out when you have guests coming over. In this kitchen area, you have tons of prepping area with these countertops, as well as storage above and below. You have a 3-burner stovetop in here, oven, microwave, and this sink is huge. It is going to be a multifunctional sink, so you have tons of different features on this thing. Over here, you have your Envision fridge. This is going to be double doors with the freezer at the bottom. And you have a nice giant pantry area. This is perfect, and these shelves do go back nice and far. And in the back of this fifth wheel, this is the most important part of this toy hauler. It is going to be your 13.6-foot garage. This is big enough that you can bring really any of your toys with you to camp, including your 4-seater side-by-side. In the back here, you can actually sleep 5 adults. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 is able to sleep right up here. How cool is this? Let's go to the front of this toy hauler Seismic. In here, you have a Jack and Jill bathroom. That means you're able to access it from the hallway as well as the bedroom, so you're not having to wake up the kids every time you have to go to the restroom in the middle of the night. You have a super big and spacious shower inside of here. I have plenty of room to move my arms around, not going to be bumping them on the walls, and you also have a skylight up here for some additional headroom. Alright, and this is the master bedroom. You have a queen size bed in here that is fully walk-aroundable, but you can add a king size bed to this. It is big enough to fit one in there. You have tons of clothing storage with these drawers right here, as well as this huge closet, and hiding in here you do have washer and dryer prep. Alright, there you have it guys. That was a full look at this Seismic toy hauler located in Mesa, Arizona at Worldwide RV. The video does not do it justice, so if you enjoyed it, come down here and check it out. My name's Isabel, and I hope to see you soon.